In this video, I want to walk you through something a lot of people in the US have been waiting for, a way to trade perpetuals on a CFTC-regulated exchange, right here, onshore. If you've traded perps before, chances are you did it on some offshore platform, in a gray zone, quietly hoping nothing went wrong. Kalshi changes that. It's the first CFTC-regulated US exchange to offer perpetuals, which in plain terms means it runs under federal oversight with the legal protections that come with a regulated venue, not an offshore workaround. That's the part I want you to hold on to as we go. So let's start simple. What actually is a perpetual? By the way, if you already know this, feel free to skip ahead. When you trade a perp, you're trading the price direction of an asset. You're not buying the asset itself. If you think the price goes up, you go long. If you think it goes down, you go short. You open a position, ride the move, and close it whenever you want. And here's the thing that sets perps apart from options or futures. There's no expiration date. Nothing forces you out on a set day. You're in until you decide to close, or until the market decides for you. And that second part is the one to respect. Because perps use leverage. Here's a simple way to picture it. With leverage, you're controlling a bigger position than the cash you put in. It amplifies the move in your favor when you're right, and just as hard against you when you're wrong. I want to be honest about that because it matters. With leverage, liquidation risk is real. If the market moves against your position far enough, it gets liquidated, closed out with a loss. That's not me trying to scare you. It's just how the instrument works, and you should size your trades knowing it. But here's what I actually like. Kalshi doesn't bury that risk. It shows your position health live, healthy, at risk, high risk, right there in the interface. Let me show you. Here's the app. I'll place a real trade so you can see the full flow start to finish. First, I pick an asset. Then I choose my direction. Long if I'm bullish, short if I'm bearish. Here, I'll go long. Next, I set my leverage. And notice, I'm keeping it modest on purpose. The higher the leverage, the closer your liquidation price sits to the current price, and the less room the market has to breathe before your position is in trouble. Lower leverage, more cushion. That's the trade-off. Now I open the position, and this indicator right here is the one I want you watching. This is the liquidation indicator. Right now it says healthy. As the price moves, this is the number you keep your eye on, not just your profit and loss. If it shifts toward at risk or high risk, that's the market telling you exactly how much room you have left. And closing is just as simple. One tap, and the position is closed. Profit or loss, locked in. That's the whole loop. Pick, direction, leverage, open, watch the risk, close. Honestly, that's what I wanted to show you. It doesn't have to feel intimidating. It's a clean, straightforward flow once you've seen it once. So if you want to try it yourself, here's the offer. New users who sign up through my link and trade $10 get $10 on top. Trade 10, get 10. My link is in the description and in my bio. And to circle back to where we started, the reason I'm comfortable showing you any of this is the regulated part. Perpetuals on a CFTC-regulated US exchange, onshore, under real oversight. Trade only what you're ready to lose, keep an eye on that liquidation indicator, and treat leverage with respect. The link's in the description below. Go explore it yourself, and let me know how your first trade goes.